This is the Paragon Strap system, an innovative new approach to organizing and transporting your gear.
We want to show you how this one system can transform your toolkit from a tangled and cluttered mess like this
To something secure and accessible like this. If you've got too much gear for any one case or bag to wrangle, we think you're going to love this system.
The Paragon Strap module is completely adjustable, rearrangeable, and provides a safe and secure hold for tools of all shapes and sizes. Our device-agnostic approach maximizes utility, making it the perfect organizational solution for anyone and everyone.
Strap modules are available in multiple sizes and can be placed anywhere you need them. With no fixed grid, they can be customized into any combination or orientation necessary to keep every tool in your kit neat and accessible.
The included divider loops allow each strap to be adjusted to a perfect fit for any tool or device. Users can easily create segments to the exact length and number desired, grouping several smaller items in a single strap or cinching a single large item tight.
Thanks to the durable hook and loop compatible elastic band, strap modules can be stacked together to consolidate like items and save space in your kit. There is practically no limit to the way you can combine modules and optimize their utility for your unique set of equipment.
Paragon straps are the perfect organizational system for any tool of any kind. Camera equipment, electronics, survival gear, to personal care products. You name it, and Paragon straps will carry it.
A small focused group of professionals have already taken the system out for a test drive and can't wait to add Paragon straps to their daily life. We hope that you'll become a part of the first generation of users by backing our project today.
In doing so, you will be supporting our very first manufacturing run and giving us the kickstart we need to bring the Paragon Strap system to market. Plus, you'll receive your very own set of straps and field case at a very significant discount.
We can't wait to change the way you carry your gear. Thanks so much for watching.